What's up, everybody? We're done now, and this is gonna be the end of the video at 1 minute. Okay, guys?
Yeah, it's not gonna be long.
Not 20 minutes. My longest one was 33 minutes. All right.
Yeah. Okay, these are all the extra pieces we have.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get all the extra pieces.
And you put them in a bag, a small one though.
Yeah. And here are all the extra pieces.
Sorry, guys. It's just falling. And let's get boom. Here it is. Cannot believe you actually did it.
What was that? Was that the bone?
Yeah.
I don't think there's room.
It's not supposed to be right there. Can that get up?
And this is going to be the end of the video. And I'll see y'all guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
We're going to be making a video, a vlog one though, right?
Oh, bye.
Bye, guys.